Brothers, indeed the most exciting phase in the investment circle is the battle of the gods in the 2 to 3,000 price. Brothers, indeed the most exciting phase in the investment circle is the battle of the gods in the 2 to 3,000 price range, like the first to appear, the OnePlus S6. Compared to last year's standard version, it can truly be described as exceeding expectations with full features. Seeing the Samsung Gaming Edition, I knew its core target this time is aimed at gaming enthusiasts. The Snapdragon 8 Custom Slow Plus Peak Game Core, just like the big brother, directly uses a 165Hz high refresh rate, and it also supports Delta Force native 165 frames per second games. I know everyone wants to ask if it can really stay stable. I open its dual screen mode, and from my current test, it runs smoothly at 165 frames in Delta's full battlefield. It is completely stable, so there's no need to worry. Since it's adapted, it is definitely well tuned in collaboration. This year, there has been a significant improvement in touch control. It has achieved a touch display synchronization architecture on Android, which literally means it has reduced the latency between touch and display panels. This challenging aspect results in faster game touch response and smoother sliding. Additionally, it uses a new glacier cooling system for even heat dissipation. To achieve 165 frames, OnePlus has put in a lot of effort. Last year's biggest complaint, the shortcoming of the fingerprint sensor, has been replaced with a 3-dimensional ultrasonic fingerprint sensor this year. The battery has been increased to 7,800 mAh, almost turning it into a power bank, and it has 120-watt fast charging. This generation has completely addressed all the shortcomings of the previous generation. Compared to last year's Pro version, it's like squeezing out all the toothpaste. Then in other aspects like the metal middle frame, dual speakers, and X motor, they are all standard. It is also among the first to feature the ColorOS 16 system, and on the side, there's the little cloth memory button that I really like. Clearly, this year's OnePlus A16 is designed as a pro-level product, and everything that should be included is there. Gamers looking to upgrade can really look forward to it.